In our previous lesson, we studied about the overview of the nature and functions of accounting, and we discussed about the various subtopics that we study under the nature and functions of accounting. In this lesson, we will study Introduction to Accounting. Our objective for this lesson is that by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to state the meaning and nature of accounting. We said accounting was developed to gather relevant financial data, process the data into useful information, and communicate it to interested parties for decision making. Now, let us look at a working definition of the subject accounting. Accounting is a system for providing quantitative financial information about economic entities that is useful for making sound economic decisions. We'll continue the lesson by looking at key components of this definition. One is quantitative. Quantitative means accounting deals with numbers. And because numbers can easily be tabulated and summarized, it is what? A strength for the subject. It can also be a weakness because there are certain events like lawsuit and countersuit which cannot easily be described by one or two numbers. So we are saying quantitative means accounting deals with numbers, and it is a strength because numbers can easily be tabulated and summarized. We also look at another key word in the definition is financial. The activities of a business are reflected and operated in many dimensions. We may have 1, financial dimension, 2, community and environmental impact. We may have personal relationship and public image. But accounting will not give you information on all these dimensions or the activities of the business. Because of the word financial, accounting reports on only those activities of the organization which can be quantified in monetary terms. So accounting focuses on just the financial dimension of the business. So when it comes to personal relationship, for example, like the relationship that exists among the employees, accounting will not give you any information on that. Relationship between management and employees, accounting will not give you any information on that. Relationship between the business and the third party, accounting will not give you any information on that. So accounting will not give you any information on the personal relationship as a dimension of the activities of the business. Now, community and environmental impact. The community in which the business operates, the activities of the business affect the environment, and sometimes it pollutes the community. But accounting will not report on that. Then public image, how the community perceive their business, and even the product of the business, the community or the environment, the people in the community, how they perceive the product, whether they see the product of the business to be of a superior quality or inferior quality, accounting will not report on those activities. So accounting focuses on just the financial dimension of the business. That is only those transactions which can be quantified in monetary terms. Then we look at decision making. Accounting as an information system provides us with economic information or financial information which interested parties use in making sound economic decisions. Accounting can also be defined as follows. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner, and in terms of money, transactions, and events, which are in part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. In this definition, we are saying accounting is an art of recording. That is, we collect the data from the source document, we record. We classify, that is where we bring similar transactions together by opening accounts in the relevant ledgers. And we summarize, that is where we prepare the financial statement in a significant manner. And in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of a financial character. So in this definition too, we are also seeing financial character, which means accounting records only transactions which can be quantified in monetary terms and interpreting the result thereof. Then after the preparation of the financial statement, we interpret the result. And this definition was given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. In this lesson, we studied about introduction to accounting. And we saw that accounting is a system for providing quantitative financial information, which is useful in making sound economic decisions. And we also discussed the key components in this definition. And we said, 1, quantitative. We said accounting deals with numbers. And this is a strength because numbers can easily be summarized and tabulated. And we also said financial, which means accounting records only transactions which can be quantified in monetary terms. And we also saw the keyword decision making. And we said accounting as an information system provides financial information for making sound economic decisions. In our next lesson, we will study functions of accounting. See you in the next